Greetings to you. I welcome you all to my channel today at Lukebreezy NFT. So today we'll be talking about the MLIKI early adopters NFT testnet. So you all know what testnet is all about, and also it's good you always have to jump in to be an early adopter so as to gain early rewards. So use MLIKI protocol testnet on Polygon Mumbai to get early adopters NFT, just as I've said. So before I commence further, I would like to appreciate my return subscribers. If you know you are a return subscribers, I pour out my heart for you. And if you know you haven't subscribed, please do well to smash on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to always get notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like the video. Like it, like it, like it, and also what, drop your comments below for the YouTube algorithm know that we are talking about what MLIKI early adopters NFT. So without wasting further of your time, you may tend to wonder, what is MLIKI protocol? So MLIKI is the world first hybrid social fake digital items and physical goods marketplace. There are numerous benefits of early adopters NFT, so let's get into the tax. So how to claim? Step number one. First, you need MetaMask wallet on your Chrome PC or on Kiwi or Yandex browser using your mobile. So let me explain. If you want to run this, you need to install your MetaMask wallet extension on your PC, or if you want to do that using your smartphone, you can install the Kiwi browser or the Yandex browser. The Yandex and the Kiwi browser helps your smartphone to perform tasks just like a PC. So after that, you will need to add the Polygon Mumbai testnet. So I'll drop every link you need necessary for this to be accomplished in the description below. So do well to check down in the description. So you need to connect your wallet on Chainlist in order to add the MetaMask wallet. So next here on the first step is you need to have some ETH test nets. You need to have some ETH in order to help you run this. So to do that, to claim this testnet Ethereum address, you need to use the faucet, which will be at the Mumbai on the mumbaiFaucet.com, or you can go to the faucet.polygon.technology/. So that is for the first step. Now the second step is the main part of it. We need to test the MLIKI protocol app, which requires you to use the website testnet.mliki.com on your browser and connect the wallet using the Polygon Mumbai network. So we need to do the tasks below, and the tasks below as follows. You need to set up your profile, create an NFT collection, mint NFT and add NFT to your collection, buy/sell NFT, then use the auction features. So these are the basic tasks you need to accomplish in the second step. Now after this, you need to provide a feedback to know the efficiency of what you have done. So you can drop your feedbacks on t.me/MLIKI token ID. So you do well to drop your feedbacks there. And also I told you about, you can claim the NFTs here at galaxy.acode/MLIKI/campaign/EC5 blah blah blah. Don't worry, I'll drop every link you need in the description below. So I believe that this is helpful. I love you to jump in to be an early adopter for the MLIKI NFT. So please do well to like this video, do well to drop your comments below. If you have any suggestions, do well to drop it below. I'll appreciate that. And also please do well to share this video to others. It will be of help to someone out there. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. See you all in my next video. Thank you.